And Laura, I want to ask your thoughts on that. What were your kind of thoughts as a defense attorney on the comments of that former police chief in Minneapolis?
It was good to hear a police chief admit that there is systemic racism because we all know it's there. We've seen it in some of our cases,
Oh,
we saw it in some of the videos, but at the same time, you're right. What is the next step? What is it that can be done? And that there's several things that can be done. I mean, we can talk about educating your officers, training them better, training them in better ways of de-escalating, just infusing some more compassion into policing. This idea of community policing, I think, is a good thing. Uh, Making sure that something like this can never happen again. Also making sure that the relationship between the police department and the community is a healthier relationship. It's not a hate relationship. It's more of a, I'm feeling secure because the officers are here, not that I'm feeling targeted and afraid because the officers are here. The officer's job is to make sure the community is a safe place and to rid the community of criminals and dangers and not bring danger and criminality into the community. So those are many, many important factors. And of course, part of that is going to have to be changing some of these manuals of the police departments. People need to come back and revisit these manuals and policies and maybe find better ways, less aggressive ways to handle people who are under the influence or are distressed for any reason, whether it be medical or non-medical reasons. We have to, as a
yeah.
community, revisit everything, basically.
Yeah, I think that's a very good point. Enhanced training with dealing with people who are on drugs or are mentally ill. I think also something a lot of these police departments could benefit from, and I've seen that brought in the community where I live, is implicit bias training and kind of some cultural sensitivity training as well. So I think every police department, probably every government agency could benefit from some of that. We want to take a really quick break. We will be right back. You are watching For the Record on the Law and Crime Trial Network.